Welcome to solverfy.
To solve this problem, all we have to do is use the equation of motion for the velocity with constant acceleration, which is the initial value of the velocity. The final value is the initial value plus the acceleration and that dimension times the time. We're told that the acceleration is negative 4 meters per second square and that the initial value of the velocity is 13 meters per second. So for the first question, the final velocity along x is going to be 13 minus 4 times 1, since we're only 1 second away from the initial time, and this is 9 meters per second. Then the next value is the final velocity at 4 seconds from the initial time, and this is 13 minus 4 times 4, which is 16. So this is minus 3 meters per second. And then the final value is we're about a second in the past. So the velocity then is going to be plus 4. And that is equal to 17 meters per second. The reason being that we're measuring the initial time as at 10:05, and the final time is at 10:04:59, so it's negative 1 second. And then for the question E, we only know all the subsequent values of the velocity, knowing the acceleration, if we know a velocity at some point in time, so that we can use this equation. The final velocity equals the initial velocity plus the acceleration times the time. So we need to know some initial velocity at some time so that we can use this equation.